Businesses often need to work out how much they should be producing in order to maximise their profits. To do this, they can differentiate their profit equation with respect to output. The chain rule is a quick method used to differentiate a function of another function. We have an outside function, f, and an inside function, g. To find the derivative of y with respect to x, we differentiate the outside function and multiply it by the differential of the inside function. It's as simple as that. Now it's easier to be able to gauge this better using examples. So let's take the function y equals 5x plus 4 all cubed. The outside is the power of 3 and the inside is 5x plus 4. If we differentiate the outside, we bring down the 3, we leave the inside function exactly how it is, and we take away 1 from the power. If we differentiate the inside function of 5x plus 4, we just get 5. Simplify this and we get 15 times 5x plus 4 all squared. Now take another function. Say y equals sine of 2x. The outside of our function is sine and the inside is 2x. If we differentiate sine, i.e. the outside of our function, we get cos. We keep the inside the same, so it's just cos of 2x, and we multiply by the differential of the inside of our function, which is 2. Simplify this and we get 2 cos 2x. How about y equals sine squared x? Well, we can rewrite this as sine of x all squared. Then the outside of the function is the power of 2, and the inside of the function is sine x. If we differentiate the outside, we just bring down the 2, we keep the inside the same, so we just get sine x, and we take away 1 from the power, so we have a power of 1. If we differentiate the inside function, which is sine x, well, sine x differentiates to cos x. Simplify this, and we get 2 sine x cos x. I hope this makes life a little easier for you now when attempting to differentiate using the chain rule. Over to you now for question time. Have a go at differentiating the following 3 functions. As always, drop your answers in the comments, and if you have any questions, please drop them there too. I can't wait to hear from you guys. Remember guys, if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified of new videos.